20 years passing by, with profession and sincerity, with industrial spirit of persistence, dedicated Gree people make time the witness of Gree's history. In 20 years, Gree has been developing to the leader in global air conditioning industry from a small air conditioner factory. In 20 years, Gree's annual sales amount grows from less than 20 million RMB to 140 billion RMB.
Since 2005, Gree has topped the production and sales volume of residential air conditioners for 12 consecutive years.
So far, Gree has developed 3 brands: Gree, Kinghome, and TOSOT, with a wide product range which are classified into 20 categories, 400 series, and over 12,700 models, including residential air conditioners, central air conditioners, air source water heaters, mobile phone, home appliances, Kinghome refrigerators, etc. They are sold widely in more than 200 countries and regions, with more than 300 million users all across the world. In 20 years, Gree always insists on technology research and innovation and has got numerous awards, showing the recognition from the world. In September 2006, Gree Air Conditioner was awarded the title of World Brand, becoming the first and also the only one enterprise that owns this title in China air conditioning industry. Moreover, Gree was awarded the Certificate of Exemption from National Inspection for Export Product, the most competitive brand, and many other awards from domestic and overseas. In 2011, Gree 1Hz inverter technology was granted China National Science and Technology Progress Award. Gree is the only professional air conditioning enterprise who owns this award. On January 9th, 2015, Gree's Self-Innovation Project System Construction, based on mastering of core technologies, was granted China National Science and Technology Progress Award and becomes the air conditioning enterprise that has been granted with the most China National Awards. In April 2015, Gree was granted AHRI Certification Outstanding Performance Award. In September 2015, Gree became the first Chinese enterprise that got the UK Cooling Award. Technology is the power of enterprise development. In our expanding process, Gree always insists on self-innovation and masters core technologies for the transformation from made in China to created in China. Gree has more than 10,000 technicians, 2 national technical research centers, 1 national industrial design center, 1 provincial enterprise key lab,
1 robot engineering R&D center,
9 institutes, and 52 research centers, and over
720 labs. Gree has applied for more than 29,903 technology patents, including about 12,247 innovation patents. In 2016, Gree has applied for 7,422 technology patents. 20 patents were born each day on average. The annual investment for technology research exceeded 4 billion RMB.
Such as the 1Hz inverter air conditioner, R290 eco-friendly air conditioners, self-developed all-disk inverter VRF units, permanent magnet synchronous inverter centrifugal chiller, 2-stage inverter compressor, PV direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller, magnetic suspension inverter centrifugal chiller, and so on. With excellent performance and reliable quality, Gree air conditioners are always appreciated by the world's top events and important projects. Gree has won the bidding for many big domestic and international projects. In addition, Gree air conditioners are widely adopted in all fields, public places, hotels, office buildings, industrial plants, and shopping centers. Nowadays, we have opened up more than 20,000 Gree exclusive stores and showrooms across the world. Refined management, professional service, excellent quality have built strong connection between Gree and Gree consumers. Concept of Gree exclusive stores, providing perfect design solution, high quality products, and professional service for consumers. Thanks to all Gree strategic partners' efforts, Gree products are available all over the world. Made in China, loved by the world.